Everybody's going to ask you for your email, and you've already learned how to tell the person at Target and TJ Maxx and Tractor Supply that you don't want to give them your email, but you still give it to your insurance agent who puts it on your application. How will that impact you in the future? Stay tuned and let me talk about it. Really, you need to protect your email because otherwise you get so much email that you can't even find the important emails. The insurance company wants your email sometimes just so they can save money and they can send you certain documents without having to go to the expense of mailing. That makes sense. You want to be green, save the environment, and that would be nice. But they don't stop there. They are going to continue to solicit you for every other type of insurance that you could possibly want. Are you going on a cruise? We have that. Do you have dental insurance? We have that. Have you bought new life insurance? We have that. Now, as a consumer, a lot of times you blame the agent. You're like, why does this company keep sending me so many letters, calling me all the time, and hitting my email all the time? Once you buy a product from them, you're a client, now they have the right to contact you. So they can continue to call you, which can be annoying. I can't stop it. You don't have to answer. And they can continue to email you. You're a client, plus that's legal. And they can, of course, direct mail you as much as they want to your mailbox. So don't blame the agent, first of all. But think about, before you take another insurance application, about giving them your email. So yeah, I would like to be green and save the environment and allow you to mail me some of these, or email me instead of mailing me. But if that means giving you my email where you're going to email me constantly about other products, I don't want that. So I generally recommend to insurance agents not to give the insurance company the client's email unless the client wants it, not just as a matter of fact to give it to them. And I want you to think about that when you're working with your Medicare insurance agent, whether you're working with us here at the Medicare Family or an agent that's local to you. Maybe not give that email out, and let's try to limit the amount of spam email that you're getting from all sources. You'll thank me.